are my Madagascar hissing cockroaches.
Oh,
Sometimes they're too.
Little girl, put it down, little girl. What's wrong with this little girl? Ain't no way she have this on her finger like it's a pet, like it's a cool toy, like it's a great pet.
I want somebody to talk to come here go through depression.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I'll give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back again with the next YouTube video. As you can see by title and the thumbnail, today we're going to react to one girl who addicted to roach.
Hey, chop. I want to them people, then they'll show them colors.
So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know say subscribe free, no money, not for pay, a free thing.
Okay.
So let's just get started into this video.
Bed, honey. Can you read me a bedtime story? I don't want to go to bed. Mom said we needed. Legs up. Hey. Okay, kids, time to get up and eat.
Oh my gosh, we're not gonna sit down and act like a roach and just crawl past the ground and she just sit there chilling like, oh my gosh, it's a part of my life. Nothing wrong with that.
It's time for bed, babe. Good night, Shelby.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. No, what? Are you alright? Who live like this? What type of who? Just looking at this, my body a crawl, my skin a crawl, everything hurt with me. Look, me feel something my neck. Like what? Who decide this? Morning.
Morning.
A day in my life. Alright, I guess turn to like, okay.
Hi, my name is Shelby Counterman. I am 9 years old and I collect cockroaches.
Okay. Cockroaches.
When I started collecting roaches, I only had 5. And now I have thousands. I like roaches because when they crawl my arms, they tickle me, and when I hold them, they make me real happy.
Stop. I like roaches. When they crawl, they tickle me. They make me happy. What's wrong? What is this? Who? Your mother alright with this? Your father good? Everything alright at home? Everybody alright with this situation? Roach?
I could do without them, but she really likes them, so.
Yo, we're not gonna act like roach, no crying and just all over the place and big and then fly. Some of them fly.
I absolutely don't.
Pussy dog eating it, little girl in front of the dog and she chilling like, oh, it's okay, it's so fine and it's alright.
Love the cockroaches, but I can deal with them. I do have freak out moments every once in a while. Oh my God, get those! Get them all!
No roaches escaped, Mommy.
But overall, you know, I've come to accept Shelby's passions.
Takes up Shelby's passion. Passion in a roach? Who has passion in a roach? That's roach. Passion in a roach? Passion in a roach. I'm not hear this world. Passion in a roach. Okay, alright. Have all the passion in the roaches.
My favorite thing about roaches is that they are unique and special.
My favorite thing about cockroaches is that someday in the near future that they will all go away.
Hopefully soon, cause wow. Anyways guys, if you're still watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're still there, just subscribe, click the subscribe button, comment down below, let me know if you're still there, okay? Alright.
She is pregnant, and right here
Who is pregnant? The roach? How you know I'm pregnant?
you can see her egg casing in the back of her abdomen. These are my Madagascar hissing cockroaches.
Oh, girl!
Sometimes they're too noisy. I will hiss
Put
at
it
them.
down, little girl. What's wrong with this little girl?
The
Ain't no way she have this one. I feel like it's a pet, like it's a cool toy, like it's a great pet.
Okay.
Sometimes they're too noisy. I will hiss at them. The exoskeleton is their bones on the outside
In a house door? Your parents just so cool with this?
of their body. They shed their exoskeleton. They turn snow white for just a couple of hours, and then they get their normal color back. The roaches, they do not bite.
What should the research bar, Roach? Alright, so much going on right now. I'm not even know what to start. What I'm playing.